it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm back with some more Doodlebug papers and stickers and die cuts and all kinds of fun stuff. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do all kinds of hauls and flip throughs and tips and techniques for paper crafting. So check out the rest of my things on my channel, and I hope that you decide to subscribe. I would love to have you join me on this journey of paper crafting. This is a great hobby. And if you are a person who has checked out my channel already, thank you so much. I am growing pretty quickly, and it makes me feel really great to know that I'm touching some people's lives with this fun paper crafting hobby. So first of all, I want to just say that I am not affiliated with Doodlebug at all. This is a company which I just love their product. I get excited whenever I can order something through them, and usually find it through simonsaysstamps.com or scrapbook.com. So if you're in the, looking for them, that's usually where you can find Doodlebug designs. They have it's a small company, so they mainly just sell through there. I don't think you can find them on Amazon or any major stores. So just so you know. Okay, this is their Snow Much Fun collection. I'm going to go over the paper pad right now. I'm going to have three different, I figured out I'll have 3 different videos. So I can't fit them all in one video. It's just too much and it takes too long. And it takes a long time to download. It takes a long time for everybody to watch it. I know everybody's busy and you don't want to maybe spend a lot of time watching videos. So let's get into it right quick so I can get this to be not too long. So here's the Doodlebug designs always start out with the paper with all of the little icons, the little cute little designs that they make on there. This one's called Snow Much Fun. That's the name of the collection. The collection was from, I think, January of 2024. It is their winter collection. It is not a Christmas collection, so you're going to see that it's mostly got wintry, very pretty, but different types of items that you can choose from that don't have to do with Christmas, but you can always use them for Christmas too, obviously. Now this one's called All Bundled Up. This is their strip collection. As you can see, there's such cute. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Oh, zoomed in too far. There we go. Some really cute little pictures here with the snowmen, the Yetis, Let It Snow. We've got, oh my gosh, I love these cute little animals, the snowflakes. So it's really mainly just, for winter, but again, you can use it for the holidays, of course. This is called Snow Day. I just love these colors together. I didn't think I would at first, because when I first looked at this collection, I was like, yeah, I don't really need, purples and blues and greens together, but I actually love it. It's just so pretty. It's, just makes it fun and festive, but also very great for, different types of projects, for birthday cards, for anything you want to do in the winter time, before we get to the Valentine's Day collections. But this one's called Frosted Friends. Tone-on-tone snowflakes on the back. Very subtle. Here is a collection of tags. I guess they're not tags, they're pull-aparts or cut-aparts, which would be, it could be used as tags, but it can also just be used as toppers on cards and on gift bags, or, whenever you want to use such a cute little picture. This is called Frozen Flurry. Again, the teals in this collection are so pretty with the purple. I just think it's great. So here's polka dots with all the colors, the different colors. Some more cut aparts. And these snowflakes are so pretty. I really like it. And as you can see, these are not Christmas type of sentiments, but you could use them for Christmas. So that's why I'm putting this out now. because even though I got it this year, I wanted to share it with everybody in case they did want to look into it for Christmas. Now this looks like a Christmassy theme, but it's very purple. So quite different. Very cute with the little houses, called Winter Wonderland. Now with Doodlebug Designs, you can purchase these papers separately, most likely on certain internet sites. You might have to look into that, because I don't think that you can purchase each of the papers separately on sites where they are where they are promoted. I don't know for sure. I'm not affiliated with the company. I don't promote this. I just like sharing what I have. This is called Wintry Woods. That's kind of a, let me look at that again. That's really kind of cool how it's like an ombre look, kind of going from one shade to the other. And on the back, oh, it's so pretty. I love that dark purplish blue snowflakes. Oh, and this is a beautiful snowflake page too. These bright colors. They're just like, they look almost holographic. I don't know if it comes across so much on the video, but there are like, variegated blues, greens, pinks, purples. It's just really pretty. It's called Ice Crystals. That's the name of that. And of course, on the back, they have to give me a plaid. I love my plaids, as you probably know from if you've watched any of my other videos. I just love plaid. It reminds me of my dad and makes me feel really happy inside. Unfortunately for me, I think that wasn't such a great call that they, and I'm really honest on my channel. Hopefully people like that, because I just want to give my opinion, but of course it's just my opinion, but I wish they had put the plaid on something other than this background, because I like both of them way too much. That's when it's a good idea to try to find papers that are by themselves, separate. So here's a really pretty stripe with those colors. They just pop right off the page. Here's some of the pull-aparts that are for journaling. Like I say every time I show this type of page is, make sure you can use this page in different ways. Make sure you think of that. They don't have to be specifically for planning and journaling, but you could cut apart the pictures and use the pictures separately, or use the frames in different ways. So there are options. Oh, and that page is called Cold Streak. Okay, and here we go. Snow Happy Together. This okay, part of the reason I love this collection is because of this bear. I just think he's so adorable. I love bears. Okay, and I collected them when I was a kid. That might have been why I started collecting things, because I just loved getting little teddy bears and stuff from different places that I would visit. How you go now as I'm older, I usually get magnets from my fridge to remind me of a place. But when I was a kid, I just loved collecting teddy bears. So, and I had over 100 at one point when I was a teenager. So, a little tidbit about myself. That's a really cool tone-on-tone snowflake print. Okay, and here we go with the tags. This is called Freeze Tag. I think these characters are just so adorable. Okay, so you got the little snowmen. Here's a fox. Here's a bear, the Yeti, these little penguins. In future videos, I'll show some of the doodle pops that come with this collection. They're just so adorable with the little characters. I just can't get enough. I think they're just so sweet. And of course, these tags can be used anytime in the year, really, if you want. I mean, they're mostly obviously made for the winter, but you could use them for Christmas or during other, for birthdays and other parts of the year, such as this one that's just the colorful stripes. So when you look at this, think about how you can reuse and refurbish any of these type of things, because that's always helpful. Give you more, you know, bang for your buck. Here are the backs of the tags, and here's this the sticker sheet that comes along with the 12 by 12 paper pad. When I say paper pad for Doodlebugs, they put them all separate, so I like that because you don't have to peel it apart. It's in a plastic bag, so it just comes out easily. And this is included with every one of their collections. They include a really cool sticker pad on the back. And, you know, as you're looking at this, you can think of different ways of using it. You can even use like the little hearts here, the cute little, you know, stars and things in other projects too, not just for the winter. It could be used for Valentine's Day if you think about it. But yeah, try to think of different ways to use your stash. This is the So Much Fun sticker page. Okay, and on the last I have for that collection of paper, of 12 by 12 paper, is this really cool acetate page called Let It Snow, which is just, you know, it's a plastic, very, very firm. You can tell by the, sorry about the glare from my light. Always happens, right? But yeah, so this is a really cool page. Like, you can barely, you know, see the background here with it. Let me put something behind it so you can see there's a page that's pretty plain. That's like a little too busy, but you get the drift. So the acetate can be used for shakers, for any kind of projects. Maybe you want to make tags out of them. That's kind of cool too, to help with the plastic tags. But yeah, it's fun. And I'm going to go through the 6x6 paper pad for the So Much Fun collection also. Usually, as you know, these 6x6 papers are just the smaller versions, you know, and they're proportionate of the 12 by 12 pages. I'm gonna show you both sides in a second here. Here's the other side. Here's the strips that you can cut. These are so tiny. I mean, using a paper cutter, you can get them cut down. But sometimes what I'll do is just use them themselves and make tags out of them, or even make a card, a topper, or some kind of embellishment using, you know, not taking apart each little strip. It looks really cute the way it is. It's kind of like having a washi tape stripped like background, or you know how you do that with washi tape or scraps. You can just make it be, you know, cut it apart and make it look like that. Here are the snowflakes. So cute, so sweet, beautiful colors. There's purple. There's a blue page with this little snowman. Those snowmen are so adorable. I love it. Next page, very, very plain colors, but good for backgrounds. Love the teal colors. Here's a pull-apart page. Very small, very tiny, but they could be put as embellishments on tags, on cards. You can make all kind, you know, put them in your planner, put them in journaling, scrapbooking, anything like that. So, you know, it's very versatile. This Doodlebug collection, they think about all this kind of stuff. Okay, so here you got the more pull-aparts. Again, it's the exact same thing in the 12 by 12, but just on a smaller scale. And you get a lot of cute little sentiments that you can cut. They are very tiny, but you can, you know, make it work. Here's the little houses with the purple. More snowflakes up above and down below. Those ombre trees that are really cool looking. I don't know, that it's kind of hard to cut that apart, but you can figure it out. They could be tags. Yeah, very cute. Love that purpley blue background, and I love these stripes. Okay, on the other side of the stripes, you've got the journaling card thing, and they're much better size for small, like mini journals. Like if you do happy planner, these would fit in with the, you know, mini size, or even could be used in the classic size, where the other ones might be better for the big planners. This page I just can't get over. It is, let me get it up real close. It's so pretty with the variegated, almost like holographic print on the snowflakes. Very pretty. Oh, and here we go again. There's the plaid on that. But that's to be expected. But yeah, I might have to buy another one of these mini 6x6 paper pads to get enough of that plaid. Here are the little creatures with the Yeti. It's waving. He's so adorable. So cute. And on this is this tone-on-tone snowflakes. And here you got these really cute tags. And then it repeats. Okay, so you get two copies of 12 double-sided prints on for that pad of paper. Very cute. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna show the 6x6 paper pad Tinsel Time. This is their most recent Christmas one, and the reason I'm bringing this out now is I didn't get a chance to show it in the video for this collection, for the Tinsel Time collection. But if you want to see more Tinsel Time collection items, I have several videos up, and that maybe I'll try to link along with this video. This will be part 1 of the snow much fun collection, but this, I'm adding this as a bonus. So if you're interested in, you know, seeing this collection, there are videos that I have that show it. I'm gonna just go through it real got little Santa Clauses. It's called Tinsel Time, so they get this silvery, tinsely look. Got the strips. Show it real quick. I don't want the video to go too long. I know, like I said, it can get long, and I'm trying not to make them too long, but here we go. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Because you want to show off what, you know, show what you have, and I just really wanted to show this. I wasn't able to because of the time before, and now I'm going quite long with this one, so I'm doing it very fast. Maybe if I do it like this, it will help. So, and you got all the cut aparts, very tiny, very cute, but oh my gosh, look at those pretty pink candy papers. I love these flowers with the pine cones. Another pretty like gingham plaid type of look. And here are the really cute little tags. So excellent. So that's the end of that too. That's double-sided, two pages per sheet, 24 altogether. This is the Tinsel Time paper pad, so take a look at my other videos that have this in it, and come back for the rest of the Snow Much Fun haul, which will include die cuts and stickers that are so adorable you don't want to miss out. Okay, well, have a good afternoon and Merry Christmas to everybody. Bye.